A local mom says she's discovered the secret to sending your son or daughter to college for free.
My dining room table became College Central and Scholarship Central.
Now she's revealing how she pulled it off. After putting 2 daughters through college, I can testify to you it is not cheap. Something your family can look forward to.
Great, something fantastic to look forward to, right? One local mom, though, is proving that college can be cheap, even free, and she says your child doesn't have to be a straight-A student either. From tuition to books on top of room and board, it's no surprise the rising costs of paying for college adds up to a lot of anxiety for parents.
I was petrified.
Metro Detroit mom Gwen Thomas is no exception.
I was thinking, Mom, am I going to be able to afford this?
Gwen started putting money away for her son Cam shortly after he was born.
I started with $100, and I would save.
But it didn't take long for Gwen to do the math and see the numbers didn't quite add up.
Every September,